So Pakistan, the World Cup in 1990, Australia-Pakistan history was a Makram Wakayan, one of the best bowling sides, second Mushtaq, Ijaz Ahmed, Inzamam ul Haq. This is player. This is a new coach. I think so really is the Pakistani batting. Fakhar Zaman is good batsman. The under pressure team in Asia Cup. And the no situation 2020 World Cup, England, there's some of the great in 6 matches. The Pakistan coach very important. Feeling. Mithyar said many tension coach in Pakistan. Yes, Northern Pakistan coach, Mohsin Khan, a big coach, Pakistan country, and Zair Bass, feeling coach. Yunus Khan, one of the best in 10,000 run test matches, race game, 3400. Big player. The Pakistan Asia condition coach, and English coach, Pakistani training, pressure, building a momentum, team and media, this is situation marketing side, Pakistan. The new system coach, I think it's a grand floor, much been pressure coach.